What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Drew IQ. Welcome to another episode of Winners Win. Today we're going to be talking about 3 of my favorite cashback apps that you can use to make money on your daily, everyday lives. Very easy to use. I have been downloading every cashback app you can possibly think of for the last 2 years. I am a tech nerd, guys. I've been working in IT for over 7 years. So I honestly will go through that finance, top 200 list, and I've probably downloaded every single app on that list. There are so many that are just not useful, they're complicated. So I'm going to be giving you all my top 3 favorite must-have apps. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any other questions or if you have any suggestions for my next video. I do read all the comments and I do appreciate all the love and support. But yeah, guys, let's get right into the video. What's going on, everybody? Alright, let's get right into one of my favorite apps that we are all going to go ahead and download and start using in our everyday lives. And the first one we're going to be talking about today is called Get Upside. Now, this one has been growing a lot of popularity. Even my mom has heard about it, which she is usually one of the last people to hear about these kind of things. But that being said, it is an incredible app to have. And what this app is going to actually do, it's going to give you cash back whenever you go get gas for your vehicle. And how it works is essentially you pull up the app, and the app has pretty much every gas station that you could possibly think of listed on this map. And you're gonna pick whatever gas station that you're going to, whatever one's closest. You literally just click on it. Let's say we got Valero here. We click on Valero, and looks like they're offering 7 cents per gallon cash back. So all you have to do is literally click on that offer, and you're gonna click Claim Offer. Now, what that means is you're going to go to that gas station, and within 4 hours, I believe the offer will expire. So if you never go to the gas station, you click claim offer, it'll just go away and you will never get the cash back. But anyways, you claim the offer and you go to the actual gas station and you start paying for your gas. And after you get your gas, you're going to get that receipt. And basically what you do is you just scan that receipt with your phone, and then Get Upside will give you that cash back. And for this example, it was 7 cents per dollar, which will add up a lot very fast. Especially if you're someone like me who is constantly driving and wasting gas. Right now, I have $3 cash back in my account, and that was literally after two times of just filling up my tank. And I have a Kia Optima. It wasn't, too expensive. It's pretty good on gas. But yeah, I'm making really good cash back. And to be honest with you, if you use this app for the next 6 months, you're going to be getting like $100 cash back, and you will thank me later. Okay, let's just put it that way, because there was times where I was behind on bills and I needed just 50 to 100 bucks, and guess what? I opened up Get Upside, and it's kind of like a little emergency fund that I had. I was like, I don't really use this money unless I need to, but yeah, I have 50 to 100 dollars. Most often I will have about that much in there whenever I need it. But this being said, this app is absolutely phenomenal. Now, the only part that I hate about this app is the fact that you have to have the receipt and scan the receipt every time. It got really annoying and troublesome, and sometimes even I would be too lazy to go use Get Upside when I filled up gas. And that's whenever they added this new feature. Now, this new feature makes this app almost as easy as it gets. All you have to do is you link your credit card, debit cards, and whenever you claim that offer, essentially as soon as you use that card, as long as it's linked to Get Upside, then you don't have to worry about your receipt anymore. And that was a game changer for me. Because once that happened, I can't be lazy anymore. There is no reason why you should not be utilizing Get Upside whenever you go fill up your tank and you get some gas. It is an absolutely crucial app that I think is the best in the industry. There are some other gas-related apps out there. Gas Buddy is another good one. But in my opinion, Get Upside, I have been getting solid cash back. It's very convenient, easy, and I think it is by far one of the most must-have apps when it comes to getting cash back. But alright guys, so that's it for Get Upside. Very simple, not much to it. You're just going to use it whenever you go get gas. You're just going to get that extra cash back. But yeah, let's go ahead and start talking about the second app. Alright guys, the next cashback app that we are going to be talking about today is one of my personal favorites that I have been using for now over 3 years. And like I said, it is my personal favorite when it comes to these cashback apps, and that is going to be Dosh, D-O-S-H. It is an absolutely phenomenal cashback app. mainly because it's very easy to use, and for this one specifically, you can get cash back on almost anything. They give you cash back on takeout at restaurants. They give you cash back when you go to Sam's Club. They give you cash back whenever you go to get some, or you order some food on Uber Eats. But what I personally like to use Dosh for is booking hotels, right? So I book a hotel over here in Texas, and it was pretty reasonable hotel, but every single day I was getting $50 cash back, okay? For example, right now at the Cadillac Hotel and Beach Club in Miami Beach, Florida, typically it's about $500 a night if you wanted to stay. But each night I'm getting $123 cash back. That is ridiculous, guys, all right? My last stay, I stayed at somewhere for 3 days, and I was getting about $40 to $50 cash back each day because I didn't really spend a lot of money at this place. It was, reasonably nice, but it wasn't a crazy expensive place. But anyways, the more expensive the place, the more cash back you're gonna get, and it is a lot of cash back. It is not, something that's like, oh, it's whatever, I got a couple cents cash back. No, you're gonna be getting at least $10 to $20 whenever you book almost any hotel for one day. All right, it is a huge must-have when it comes to just traveling. I use this all the time. They have great deals. Actually, whenever I'm thinking about a vacation, I actually go to Dosh and I look at all the featured deals and sales they have when considering cash back. Because right now they have trending deals where you can go to Las Vegas, spend $150 per night to stay, and you're going to be getting $55 cash back per night. That's like 1/3 of the price you're paying, you're getting back. It is absolutely insane. This is one of many reasons why Dosh is one of my favorite apps, okay? Even whenever I didn't have a credit card, my credit was really bad, I didn't have any credit card where I was getting cash back, you can even add your debit card. Yes, you can add your debit card to Dosh, and then you can start eating at restaurants and getting cash back. It's incredible, okay? Another thing I mentioned was like on Get Upside. Get Upside is now starting to offer, deals like Dosh when it comes to like going to get restaurants and going to get food. So a trick that I do is I add my card on Get Upside. I also add my card on Dosh. And what I do is like I look for certain restaurants that they both offer cash back. So I can go eat, for example, Which. Dosh was giving me 10% cash back. And then I think it was another app that I had. They don't do it anymore, which is why we're not talking about it. But I think it was like NerdWallet was also offering like 5% cash back as well. So for a while, I was getting 30% cash back at Which just for connecting my card to like Get Upside, Dosh, and a couple of these cashback apps. Unfortunately, a lot of these other apps took away the restaurant cashback, so there's not a lot of them still around. That's why Dosh and Get Upside, in my opinion, are the top two, because you still can get cashback on restaurants and a lot of other cool, neat things. Now, Dosh is also, they have not only restaurants, but they have, like I said, just going to get takeout. If you want to go to American Eagle or any retail, you get 5% cash back at American Eagle. You can get 6% cash back at H&M. So they have a bunch of different cashback offers that you can get. And again, I'm sorry, I'm going crazy about this app, but this app is literally a must-have cashback app. It is my personal favorite. It's easy to use, which for me is the number one thing because I'm extremely lazy. And a lot of these cashback apps are more like scams. They take like 30 minutes of your time and you get like 2 cents, okay? This is not that. You literally just link your credit cards, and if you want to go travel, you book your stay through Dosh. If you want to go out to eat, you just link your credit card and you look at a restaurant that offers cash back. You go eat there, you pay the restaurant, you get the cash back. Very simple, and like I said, it is an incredible app. I highly recommend you add Dosh to your cashback apps list. Alright guys, so enough about Dosh. I could probably talk about this one forever. I have nothing but great things to say. They also have a referral code, so I've been referring all my friends to Dosh, and every single one I'm getting like $5. So that's also, a really cool referral fee, and all your friends are gonna love it. Okay, anyways, let's go on and get to talking about the last app that we're gonna be talking about today. So I saved the best for last, and that is gonna be Google Opinion Rewards. Now this app to me is the number one must-have cashback app because of how easy it is, and literally you don't have to go spend money, right? So when I'm talking about cashback, like for Dosh, for example, you had to go, reserve a hotel or you had to go out to eat to get that cashback, right? For Get Upside, you have to go get gas or you have to do one of their other offers. I think they do restaurants now. But you have to go out and spend money to get that cashback. Now, Google Opinion Rewards is incredible because you're not really getting cash back per se for, spending money. They're literally going to pay you for a survey. And I know, first glance, that sounds awful, okay? Because if you're like me, you've tried a lot of these other apps like Zap surveys and this and that, and they literally make you take 30-minute surveys and they give you like a dime. It's nothing for as much time as you put in. It's ridiculous, guys. And I've tried a lot of those survey apps, okay? Most of them are scams. This app is incredible, guys. Every $2 you make, they're just gonna pay out to, I have it set to my one of my checking accounts, so it just pays out every $2 I make. But essentially what happens is they literally only give you 4 questions randomly. So you need to set your notifications for Google Opinion Rewards, and what they'll do is whenever they have a survey, it's gonna notify your phone, and you have about 24 hours to take the survey. It is literally the easiest survey I have taken, okay? It's literally going to be like, did you use your credit card yesterday? Did you eat a barbecue, whatever restaurant yesterday? And that's it. You're just going to, they literally answer 4 simple questions like that, and then boom, you're going to be getting up to a quarter. And that adds up really quickly, okay? Over the last about 2-3 months, I've made maybe 12 to 14 bucks. Not crazy, but guess what? Over time, that adds up, and considering how easy this is the easiest money that you're gonna get ever. It really is, okay? You don't have to spend any money. You don't have to do anything. It is literally just 2 seconds of your time. Okay, guys? This is the best must-have app because it is so simple. It's so quick and easy. It's almost like free money. If you aren't utilizing this app, I highly recommend you download this app right away and get on it. That is going to be it for today. Those are my top 3 apps whenever concerns, getting easy money and getting some cash back on some of your spending. But yeah, guys, that's it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any other questions, or if you have, like I said, any suggestions for any future video ideas. I do read all the comments, and I do appreciate any love. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. My top 3 apps for getting easy money, cash back, and it really isn't that hard, guys. So please go ahead and download those apps. I do have my referral code below for Dosh if you want to go ahead and use that as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. I have a busy day. I got a couple things I need to do. But yeah, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video.